Tinubu don't give us code on how to buy things cheaper. Anybody will vote APC where they suffer for this regime, na person will not they come meeting. You give me oh, when you say I vote, Peter will be why I go vote person when I know his age. See this one. Make I vote president. Why? Not disrespectful thing. Now why you go know your president age? I like my president mysterious. Just something. Will they solve? Well, to get to president age, you go solve. I like a president that keeps mathematics alive. You go solve. Seyi Tinubu is 42. How old is his father? Take X equal. Board mass. Now, what do they enjoy? Board mass, not president or just, how old is your president? You go, you get it. They weaken the brain. All those things, easy. I don't like it. The president with the age like, babe, that's sexy. I vote Tinubu now. Tinubu tell us for the last meeting. After he tell us, enjoy your weekend, he tell us how to enjoy the weekend. He give us one code. Now only people will vote APC the thing they work for. Me, Seyi Law and co. At the time, only was the thing they work for. I go share down with you now. But you no go work for now, no vote APC now. Now go, you're the suffer. If you want to buy things cheaper, now secret to the year, you go need them, you. If you want to buy things cheaper, see those people when they discuss bet Nigeria cheaper, they don't quiet. If you want to buy things cheaper for this regime, just go any Yoruba woman store. The year, as you enter the store, before you begin pick anything, before you begin pick distance steps, so if you miss any step, they will increase the price. Before you begin pick anything, just shout at the top of your voice. Ulama! Bala blue! One spirit will be like Oshomole will just come outside, they change the prices. But just they walk. I'm not going they walk. Why you say Seyi Law? Seyi Law? Seyi Law? I they come. Why you say, you know what Seyi Law last interview? Seyi Law saying go beat Nobo Igwe. It isn't a person who never chop go get that kind of mind. Not be, oh no way you want beat to Igwe. He saying go beat Nobo Igwe. Seyi Law they buy things cheap now. You don't chop, get power. If you want to get power, try that thing. Just not go Igbo people store, they feel they single. Yoruba only go Igbo people store, go shout Bulaba, spoil one of their music, they knock something for your head, now you sabi. And the only way this country fit work. And before I come out, I still get one thing because I vote Tinubu and I go stand on them. I still believe in Tinubu government too. Yes. You two go play too, they crazy. I go tell una why. Una know they ever do reasoning for this country. Make we reason together. No, not be fight. I know now you will vote Peter Obi. But enjoy yourself. Me, I know I voted. 2 people vote Tinubu in win. You know they fear that kind of person. 2 people vote one man, he become president. You know they fear him. I respect that man. No. I say, this Tinubu government, I still believe him because of history. Because of Jonathan government. I remember Jonathan government that time. I saw will be the yab and say Jonathan no they work. But we don't know. Say that time when Jonathan did government, people there where they scatter in government, they sabotage in government. They just gather, they spoil in government. The only person will be support Jonathan genuinely that time, and his wife Patience. And even that one support came at a price. That woman go interview, say my fellow widows, kill Jonathan for our front. Murder the president, turn out to Walking Dead. And the feeling when I get this Tinubu government, they try. People there where they sabotage Tinubu government. No, I don't know. People there where they sabotage Tinubu government now. Yes, now I go tell you then today. That hit will happen earlier this year. It is that in a natural hit. See you. PDP hits now. Hit where PDP release. If I see PDP hit, I no go know. That's a PDP sponsored hit. Let me they tell you. I know that the hit they so strategic. Hit will not happen during December where everybody dey outside. It go happen for February where 2 or more people need to dey inside. February, month of love, where 2 or more people need to just, celebrate value. If they tap, now not coming by this time. I go to my show now. Now me be the M.O., the P, they come. Mona, no worry.
Call to you join. I join too.
Heat. They want to use heat spoil Tinubu government because they know say if they bring heat for February, we go notice because we need them inside. But guess what? Nigerian men like sex, so that heat not stop them. Jesus, that heat not stop the next generation of children where they go born, the kind of hot temper where they go get.
Yes.
Yeah, now I know the Greek common show. They say my time don't finish. I go. You guys have been amazing, man.